Hello dear friends, I'm driving from Columbia, South Carolina to Charlotte, North Carolina, and I just made an exit off of the highway to show you the Scout Motors plant that they're building here in Bluffton area. We're just about 15 minutes away north from Columbia, South Carolina. This is a huge mega factory that Scout Motors is building here to build the Scout vehicle. And since I was in this area, I thought I would show to our Torque News followers and readers. So we're gonna just see each other, together how they're building the Scout huge mega factory. You can see it in the background there already. You can see this huge building. When I was here driving in this area about several months ago, there was no building. They were just doing the groundwork, and I'm now surprised how much work they have done. As you're driving on the highway, there is a lot of infrastructure being built, and you can see a lot of constructions, new bridges being built. The area is becoming beautiful. I see like pavements and walking areas for pedestrians. So looks like there's going to be a lot of improvements in this area because a huge car building company, car manufacturer, Scout Motors, moved to this area. I see a parking lot here. It says Scout Plant Deliveries. Probably employee parking lot or some parts of employees, because I'm sure there are more people here already. So let's just drive and see things together. I'm expecting at some point I need to make a left turn in order to see the plant. I don't know if it's here or I should go a little bit further. There is another construction being started here. This area says all Scout deliveries. Okay, let's keep driving. I don't know, maybe I should have turned left there, but let's keep going a little bit more to find the main entrance to Scout Motors. If this video is interesting for you, please like it and share in social media or comment. If I see a lot of people interested to see how things are going, I will probably drive here maybe a month later and make another video. Okay, so I guess the main entrance, I just passed it, but those were for deliveries, and I don't think anyone will let me go inside because people are working here. But you can see a huge place. I just stopped on a public road and started making this video, so you can see this beautiful panoramic view of how things are going at Scout Motors, where they are. I just see work going on. Let's get a little bit closer. Several buildings. I don't know what they will be doing in each building yet. Maybe one day Scout Motors press room or public relations will invite the media for a tour here. If so, I will be happy to participate and make more videos and let you know how things are going. It's huge. Okay friends, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Let me know if you are interested in how things are going at Scout Motors plant construction. This is where the cars will be made. And maybe from time to time I'll let you know how the progress is going by driving this area and taking photos and videos from here. Have a great day. Visit us at torquenews.com for more stories. God bless you and see you soon in our next report.